I wanted to do a quick video to show you a move that was given to me when I was holding, it was like a meditation group, I guess. We all sat in core together. And this particular move then was shown to me to take people into a deeper state of peace and a deeper space in core, but it also allowed our nervous system to calm down even more and do that really quickly. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. You can do that before doing your layers or before you go to bed or any time that you start feeling a little anxious, or you just do it as part of your practice. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your hands, and the tips of your fingers, I want you to literally place right there, right in there, on all the fingers, right? And so that locks into there and that locks into there, right? So your hand is like that. So you're literally putting pressure on too, right? You're putting pressure on those little divots. And all it is, this is really, really simple, right? You bring this down just to the height of where your chest is, right? So you start there and they point outwards. So as you go out, right, you would breathe in, right? So what you're doing is you're coming from your chest area. You can even do it lower. You can, wherever it's comfortable, you can be here. And then as you go out, you breathe in. So here you go. And then on your breath out, you're literally going up. So what I want you to do that as you come down, breathe in, go forward, breathe out, breathe in, and you can keep slowing that down and then do it really slow, yeah? And you could do this for however long you want, but you'll find that your body will really start opening up energetically as well. So you could potentially do that before you do your layers, or you could do it after you finished your layers as well. And you'll find that your body starts also opening up and releasing. This is a really, really nice way of calming everything down. So just make sure that you keep that pressure on, yeah? And you just get into a steady rhythm for yourself as well. And then after a while, what we found is that it feels like your breath has ceased. Literally sitting here, it feels like I have no rise and fall of breath, and like there's this exquisite stillness within me. And so see how long that lasts. That is literally everything becoming completely still. From there, go to core, or be in core when you do this, right? Go to core and then do the work. It maintains core really well. But then maybe from there, do your lays. It really depends on how you want to work with this, but just practice it and see how long you end up being in this state for. And it's really, really a wonderful practice.